Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Today, we'll cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes showed strength today with multiple new records. The Dow 30 Index stood out, rising 238 points to 46,758. The S&P 500 Index and the Russell 2000 Index also reached new all-time highs. Market breadth was decisively positive today. The S&P 500 saw 319 advances versus 176 declines. The Dow showed similar strength with 21 advancing stocks against 9 decliners. The Nasdaq recorded nearly 1,900 advancing issues. In weekly returns, the Russell 2000 led gains at 1.7%, followed by the Nasdaq at 1.3%. Year-to-date, the Nasdaq maintains its lead with an 18% return, while the S&P 500 follows at 14.2%. Leading sectors today showed defensive positioning. Utilities and healthcare both gained 1.1%, with utilities reaching a new record high. Financial services followed with a 0.7% advance. Among underperforming sectors, Consumer Cyclicals led declines, dropping 0.8%. Communication services fell 0.6%, while technology slipped 0.3%, despite maintaining its strong upward trend. In global markets, Japan led gains, rising 2% to a new record high. Philippines followed with a 1.4% advance, while Denmark gained 1.2%, showing strong momentum. Looking at weekly performance, Denmark and New Zealand both gained 4%. Year-to-date, Austria leads with an impressive 51% return, while Japan follows at 22%. Major tech stocks showed mixed performance today. Apple continued its momentum, closing at 258.2, marking its fourth consecutive positive day. Alphabet edged higher for a third straight session. Meta Platforms fell 2.2% amid increased downward volatility, while Nvidia maintained its strong upward trend despite a slight dip.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Cryptocurrencies are showing strong momentum today. Bitcoin is at 122,423, up 1,802, showing strong upward volatility. BNB leads with a 7% gain to 1,167, marking its second consecutive day, approaching new highs. Ethereum is at 4,530, while Solana and Dogecoin are slightly lower but maintaining positive trends. Returns across major cryptocurrencies are notably strong this week. BNB outperforms with a 17.5% weekly gain and nearly 16% month to date. Solana and Ethereum both show impressive gains around 10% for the week, while Bitcoin has advanced 9%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing mixed movements against major currencies. The dollar weakened 0.16% against the euro, continuing a negative trend despite recent flat trading. Against the British pound, it broke downward after consolidation, while maintaining a mixed positive trend. The dollar rose marginally versus the yen for a second consecutive day, though the broader trend remains negative. Against the Swiss franc and Aussie dollar, the greenback broke lower after several days of sideways movement.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.